What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dirty Red Gaming, where we take gaming and fashion, we mash it together like it's some Play-Doh. I'm Macho, aka Dirty Red, and this is my channel. So I don't really get to feature that many AirMax on my channel. I haven't really done none, to be honest with you. So this is gonna be my first pair. Today we're gonna be taking a look at the Nike AirMax 95 Cactus Flower. Let's go. So we got our shoes right here. Nike AirMax 95 in the white speed yellow colorway. This is the Cactus Flower colorway. Quick overview of it. These are retailing at $170. I want to say I got these way under retail, and you can grab them too for way under retail. Maybe, I think I seen the lowest $85, 90 bucks. This is a great color. I love it. I don't get to feature AirMax on my channel like I mentioned, but today we're gonna take a look at some. I'm gonna try to get some more AirMaxes that I got. But I really love AirMaxes, so we're just taking a look at the box real quick before we unbox them. Your typical Nike red box, nothing special about it. AirMax 95, I got these in the size 9. They do run true to size, so I think all AirMax is gonna run you true to size. Any running shoe for that matter. We have white speed and yellow. So we finna pull this up out the box, so let's go to the next clip. This is a sick colorway. Here goes my box right here. As you can see, the colors on the box that tell you what white and speed yellow, it does not give this shoe any justice. Take a look at that, man. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. It says speed yellow, but it's so many colors. It's a crazy colorway. The Cactus Flower. Let me put my box down. Let me just go into details on one shoe. So, of course, this is a AirMax 95, and this thing is dope, man. This is a dope sneaker. So right here, you got your purple on the tongue, the back of the tongue. You got your purple tips right here. Then you got a purple, really good leather. You got patent leather. Then you got like a suede right here on the blue. This is more of a like kind of navy-ish blue. You got your purple with your hints of yellow. Then on the other side of the shoe, you got your yellow with the, I guess it looks navy, but it's really not navy. It's just a different type of navy. Then you got your kind of the teal blue right here. Then you check out your air bubble. You got a teal air bubble that goes around the back side. And then you got your yellow right here. And then you got yellow right there. Then it just pops. The yellow just pops on this. It's a crazy colorway. You got your teal AirMax right there on the tongue. Then you got the yellow that says Max, AirMax, with your black shoelaces. And I mean, this is just a great shoe. I don't even know how to describe it. It's just crazy. It's a crazy color. Crazy color. Let's see if it's different. If it's different from the other shoes. So I grabbed these for like 90 bucks. Off the Nike website. I'm not sure if they're even available, but you can grab these off StockX. When I did my research on them, they were still under retail. You could probably get them for a little over 100 bucks. But this is a traditional AirMax 95. I've only worn them probably once, so you see the bottom of the shoe. Nothing too crazy, but there's nothing different. I thought the shoes were different. A lot of times when I have these shoes sitting for a while, when I pull them back out, I forget, you know, how they look and how they were when I first got them. But also on the inside, you got your leather there. That's a very nice leather. Same on the purple side right there. I probably worn these once, like I said. Great running shoe. I wasn't running these. These are too fly to be running in. You got your teal, and that yellow just pops. That yellow just pops. This would be sick if this was an all black shoe with the purple and the yellow pop on it. But yeah, it's definitely a nice sneaker. I would recommend them. 0 to 10 on these. I would definitely get this shoe right here. I get this shoe a 10. I'm not even gonna lie. For the price right now, The fact that this is an AirMax 95, it fits true to size. There are no flaws in this shoe. This is a flawless sneaker. Runs true to size. It's gonna last you a long time. So I get this is a perfect shoe. Cop or not, yeah, definitely. They're underpriced right now. And the crazy thing about this shoe is you're not gonna see nobody with it. I even Googled, I went on YouTube to see, I put in the Nike Air Max Cactus flower sneaker. No one has done a video on this shoe. So the good thing about it is it's not hyped up. So when people see it, they're gonna be like, where you get that Air Max from? Because no one's taking a look at it. And those are the kind of shoes that I like. I like shoes, you know, it's cool to get the hype shoes. It's cool to get the shoes that everybody want. But when you go out in public, bro, you don't want to see 20 people with the same pair of shoes on. That's just kind of corny. So it's good to find little shoes like this that when you grab them, you don't have to worry about nobody having them. So let's try these on feet. Thank y'all for checking out my channel. Yeah, go ahead and get you one of these, man. Get you some of these, man. I like these shoes, man. Let's go.